Healthy recipe: stuffed peppers with brown rice, ground beef, and tomato. You can see the ingredients in the description. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Wash the peppers and cut them in half lengthwise. Remove the seeds and membranes. In a large skillet, cook the ground beef over medium-high heat until browned and cooked through. Remove the cooked ground beef from the skillet and set aside. In the same skillet, add a little oil if needed and cook the chopped onion until translucent. Add the minced garlic and cook for 1 more minute. Add the crushed tomatoes to the skillet and stir well. Season with ground cumin, dried oregano, salt, and pepper to taste. Cook the tomato mixture over medium heat for about 10 minutes, until slightly thickened. Add the cooked brown rice and browned ground beef to the tomato mixture in the skillet. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. Fill each half of the peppers with the mixture of brown rice, ground beef, and tomato. Place the stuffed peppers on a baking tray and bake in the preheated oven for 25–30 minutes, or until the peppers are tender. Remove the stuffed peppers from the oven and serve them hot. Sprinkle fresh chopped parsley on top as garnish if desired. For more healthy recipes, follow us.